Hi guys, just a quick video on the BMW E87. I'm currently trying to tap in for the reverse cam. So on the back of your light we'll have this guy, this harness that plugs in to this guy. So that's your indicator and that's your reverse light, and you want to tap into that pin there, which is for the 12 volts positive, which when you flip it over it aligns to that block there, which is this first, which it aligns to this first cable here, and that's like a purple black, so that will be a reverse light. And then the brown is your ground in the BMWs. So that's it. So you need to tap in that guy and the brown, and that will give you a 12 volt feed to your camera when you stick it in reverse. Okay, I hope this helps you guys out, and stick around and subscribe and like and turn on the notification for more videos. Thanks, bye.